flip your rudder down, pull the cable, and push you off, you do your pedals.
Okay, cool.
Diego, all the boys clumped up right here. Big fish, big fish.
We'll see. There could be rock snapping.
Rooster! Zach, do you mind going to him? Oh, we got another rooster right here.
The run clips we're saying are hilarious. Like,
Robert, yellow kayak furthest offshore.
get him to the boat.
Hatcher, we're coming to you. Alright, correct.
This one's a little better than the first one.
Yeah, it is. Dude, 2 roosters in a day now.
Same lure, by the way.
Same lure, going for the hat trick.
Oh my god, it's an absolute giant. Got an ID? He's not ready yet. No, he's not looking like a rooster, so just keep putting pressure on him. He'll give up. When the cuberas or the groupers are tired, they're just gonna float right up. So just keep giving him pressure. It's a rooster? It's a cubera? All right, yeah. Oh, it's a beast. Dakota's gonna grab that. Oh, watch out. Watch, yeah.
Coming up behind you.
It's a tank. The tape for the record they moved up. Alright, here we are. Watch his mouth, watch his mouth. Giant teeth, yeah. Woohoo! Let's go! Let's go!
The other thing we'll do, so like the big ones, right? When they fight like crazy, the last bit is usually them just floating and then the guy grabs it, puts it in his kayak. Well, those big ones usually need a lot of help to revive. So what we'll do is I'll take him here in the panga and we'll just putter along in the panga. I'll have his mouth wide open, getting a bunch of fresh water through it. And then when he's ready, like I feel him, like he'll start biting down on my fingers, I'll jump in the water with them. And then to help them to keep the pressure off from killing them, I'll swim down like 10, 15 feet. And then from there, I'll throw them down. Good spot. Oh, there it is. Oh, no way, bro. No way.
What?
Grouper.
Oh shit, yeah.
Another broomtail. We're gonna get. Okay, he's barely hooked. Hold on. Oh, there we go. On the ground here. Dude, unreal.
So when you're
There we go. Just keep the pressure on him. 1 foot forward. Perfect. On the bait rod. That's some fun stuff.
the best.
Darn! Yo, that is rip and drag.
Wow.
Let's go!
Viva Panama!
Woo! Another rooster, baby. There it is.
How about that, boys? Go!
Boys. See. It's unbelievable. Those combs, those stripes. Potentially another rooster.
I can't hear you, buddy. Can you talk to me on the radio?
Jeez, he ain't ready.
Is my drag set too loose?
No, no. It's perfect the way it is. It's normal for them to do this. Sometimes they'll have 15 runs in them. You'll bring them to the boat, see them time and time again, and they just dump a bunch of drag. That's why they're one of the coolest fish in the world. Yep, there he is, Rooster! Ah!
How do I get him?
Oh, unreal, man. National championship yesterday, Rooster this morning.
Can't beat it, can you?
Bro.
The other way. Okay.
No, that's good, that's good.
Worse, keep your hand off.
Oh, look at the size of that fish.
Dude, it's a tank. Dude, that's a tank.
That age on the house over there. Right there.
Oh yeah, nice Kubera. He's gonna be right floating under your kayak. Good, you got both of them. You're going to grab him. There's gonna be, don't grab the red part, but you're gonna feel a spot where you can kind of reach near the gills and kind of grab underneath his his chin almost. And it's gonna feel like a nice handle. You're gonna be able to just pull him right in. If you need to take a couple pedals forward, he'll come next to you. Ooh, careful of the teeth. He's hooked good. And the other side of his mouth. Or the other hand, yep, right there, grab it, grab hold, pull him across. Woo, let's go! Let's go! Woo! Let's go! Big old Kubera! All right, let's go, man! Moonfish, baby, moonfish!
Father-son action here. Good stuff. Danco pliers. Jeez, that's a good one. There you go. There he goes. Just watch your finger there, because that braid will shred you. Oh yeah, we got line coming. There we go, baby. Getting close. Just reel that knot in, and 60 yards of top shot. We'll have him.
I think he's gonna have another run in him once he's in the mid-water column. Talk to you if you need anything. Oh yeah, we got line coming. There we go, baby. Getting close. Feel that knot in.
Yeah, you're getting him. You're getting him. We should see him shortly here. Should see him. Oh, yeah, there he is. I think that's a big Kubera. Big Kubera down there. Yep.
Yep.
Yeah. You just keep fighting him. I'm gonna grab my gloves so we can get him in the boat nice and easy. ¿Tú sabes? Is that Kubera? Man, grande. Or is it a, yeah, big Kubera. Holy smokes.
Okay, so once this weight gets here, I'm gonna need to grab it.
Oh, he didn't even get the fish.
Golly.
Wow.
How's that, George? Is that a good size? If you want to sit down.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
It's a big fish.
It's big.
Jeez. The old. Got him. Oh, yeah. Nice, nice. Yep.
Nice.
I think you are hooked into her.
You ever seen fish?
No.
Oh, we did.
Oh.
Right here on my fish.
Another one. Unbelievable. But that's a big broomtail. Jeez.
¿Con comida de vaca? Grande.
Igual punta.
Ah, pero ese sí recto, mira.
Let's put him back on the ground so we don't cut your hands up at all. I'm gonna try and get a release video. His stomach feels extremely tight, so I don't know if he's gonna go, but let's give it a try. So if you don't mind filming this. All right, I got it. Don't want to go, buddy? I don't think so, huh? Yes, yes, sir. Awesome, awesome.
Inside of it?
Chicken, some kind of chicken.
Some kind of chicken.
Happy birthday